Caviar, a company known for making luxury variants of popular tech gadgets, intends to release a custom Apple Vision Pro plated with 18-karat gold next year that will inevitably set you back more than Apple's $3,499 starting price. Caviar Vision Pro 2, the device's headband is made from Connolly leather, and features a gold visor cover attachment inspired by Tom Ford flip-up glasses and Gucci ski masks. Judging by the public's reaction, not everyone appreciates having their eyes displayed on the external screen. With Caviar's version, you can preserve your privacy if you wish, says the company. The Apple Vision Pro CVR edition by Caviar will be a limited edition release of 24 units, with an estimated early 2025 launch. The starting price is available on request, according to the website, but elsewhere the device is advertised for around $40,000. Caviar also recently listed a custom iPhone 15 Pro that has been modified to match the look of the Vision Pro. That costs a mere $8,060 and can be pre-ordered today from the Caviar website.